of a technology lab working with HTML forms and media elements. So in this exercise, we have to build a site that conforms to HTML5 standards and has the following elements: doc type meta, title, body, head, div tags, p tags, headings, image, anchor text tables, audio, video, iframe, forms, input, select, progress, field, set, labels, HTML and HTML comments. So we have to create a two-page website, and this was the given structure. So page one, the company name, four links, a search bar, a video, audio, and text, a form, a contact us, and an embedded map. And the second page is to submit our details in a form. Then we have to show progress in the given search bar, input date of birth, radio buttons, etc. in a and our certificates in a table, and a submit button. So this is my output. So have the company name, icon, company name and icon, four links, a search bar. I've embedded the Carvinia video from YouTube, and random text and audio, which but I've not given autoplay. Then we have the form. I put a placeholder for password. Submit button, which will show that the field is required. Contact us with my mail ID, phone number, and embedded Carvinia University map. And then to go to the next page, I created a link. So now we go to the next page, then we can enter our name, middle name, last name, date using the calendar, age, radio buttons, and then we can see the progress, address, we can adjust, city, town, zip code, I've used placeholder, then the telephone, mobile number, email, website, etc. Another progress bar, qualifications, and I've used checkboxes over here, board university, drop down menu, calendar, and percentage, I've used the number, and we can attach a file if needed, and the progress button, and submit. So now we can look at the code. So this is the code for the first page. So we have the doc type and a title, exercise number 2, body, and I put everything in a class container, given it some inline CSS. Then we have the company image and company name, the four links that we give, given a space between. And then this is the video that we embedded iframe from YouTube, and this is the text, and this is the audio with audio controls. Mm. Then we have the form, the sign in and with username, password, use type required over here. And then we have the form button. This is the address that we added, address for contacting. Then we have the embedded Google Maps using iframe, and we've given it a padding, and this will go to the next line. Next line. So I added a href link over here. To click here to submit your resume, which will go to the second page, exercise 2.2.html. And then I've added a form, field sets, given the label, first name, placeholders, and input type equal to text over here, input type equal to date, input type equal to radio for gender. Then we have another set of field sets with the next for the address details. So in here, text area, we give an input type of text area so that we can adjust this size, and we give name as address, number of rows and columns. Then we have another placeholder for password, etc. Then this is a progress ID, or we given a value max of 100. So, and this is the text that will be displayed, 40% of 100% progress. Then we have the contact information similarly to the previous ones. And then we have educational details, which we have put in a table. So these are the table heads, table rows, given a checkbox, input ID, text, placeholders, board university, etc. And at the end, we've given a button. So this is the output again, page 2. Thank you.